Okay, milling is done, and this is how it looks now. Very good, I think. Just the way it should. The reason I have one hole in here is for that little hole. The next thing to do and the last thing to do is drilling, and it will be done using this drill bit. 8.5 millimeters. This is a very cheap drill bit. I think it cost like €1.5, but I really like these. These are really ground, very sharp. Not very durable, but for soft materials like this, it's gonna do like champ. I will put this drill in a collet like this. It goes in here. This collet is from 8 to 7 millimeters, but it's also fine for 8.5. Just a little stiff. I also have this end mill in a similar collet. Okay, all set for drilling. Again starting at 0 degrees. The next one is 45, then 90, 135 and so on. And the last thing to do is drilling the 5 millimeter hole here. And this is located at 22.5 degrees, between 0 and 45. I will be using automatic feed for drilling. The speed will be 100 millimeters per minute. This is very easy to operate. Just pull it out, change and put a new gear in. Very easy and fast. And the speed will be the same as in the milling. So let's start. We are at 0. And here we have it. Just the way it should be. The little hole is there too. Some deburring and this piece will be ready to go. I did not use any coolant when milling and drilling because this material is very soft. Thank you for watching, and I really hope you like this. I will have more videos like this to come if you like this one. Maybe on some more interesting topics. This was just a simple piece. But I hope you liked it anyways. Thanks you and bye.